Introducing PDF Utility Tools, the ultimate PDF utility tool designed to simplify your document management. With PDF Utility Tools, you can easily extract tables from PDFs into Excel with just a few clicks. Split large PDF files into individual pages effortlessly. Combine multiple PDF files into a single, organized document. Convert your PDFs to editable Word documents seamlessly. Merge multiple Word documents into one. Convert PDFs to high-quality images in JPEG and PNG formats. Create PDFs from your image files quickly and easily. Compress your PDFs and images to save space without compromising quality.